Okay, we've got the windows installed, and now we're working on cabinets, and this is going to be our backsplash because the board that we bought that matches like our wall boards over there and matches this backsplash, they were only 24 inches or 25. Anyways, it was an inch short. So what we did is we're putting in this same board as a backsplash so we can bump our cabinets forward so they'll overhang just a little bit like they're supposed to. So Rusty's getting that installed, and it'll be a great backsplash, and I don't have to buy that $35 peel and stick on Amazon that doesn't stick once you get it in the heat. I've already fought with that and fought with that. I've gone through 3 different ones in my other cargo. That stuff doesn't stick very long. So we came up with this, and it was perfect. Now I don't have to mess with the peel and stick. So, and this has a coat of stain on it, and it has, I don't know, 4 or 5 coats of polyacrylic on it. So it'll be easy to wipe off, wipe it clean. Okay, I think we're going to be, whoops, swung y'all around fast. I think we're fixing to, are we fixing to put this on next?
Oh, we got to cut it down.
Yeah, we got to cut it. But let's put it on there, and we can just mark the underneath of it with the pencil, can't we?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, to mark it. We got to cut this down. We haven't cut this piece yet. It was a little bit longer than what our cabinets came out to. And he's got a mark for my sink. I got a 1 bowl, huge 25-inch sink going in there, guys. My other sink is a little tiny bathroom sink in the other cargo. This one, I'm putting a real sink in it. So it's going to be big enough to wash those big pans and to throw dishes in until we have water or we want to do the dishes. So not that I leave dishes sitting, but sometimes when you're messing with parks or you're boondocking, you may not have the water capacity you want to have. So this gives us a place to put dirty dishes. But so I think that's where we're going next. Okay, it's dark. We were gone all day taking our granddaughter to the doctor, so we kind of wanted to work on the trailer a little bit. Rusty's got the sink marked, and the instructions on the sink said to come in, what'd you say, 5/16? It said to come in 5/16 of an inch from it didn't come with the template, but it did give you directions on how to use the actual sink. And sorry about the shadowing. And it said to come in 5/16. So he marked the...
Said to lay the sink on top of where you was wanting it.
And that's that first line right there.
Draw a line around the sink. And then cut 5/16 of an inch inside of it.
That's what he's doing right now. And then we were like, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches over on the end. So he's cutting that off too. Okay, so Rusty cut out that's the backsplash. He cut the end off. He cut the sinkhole out. He cut it square, and he's going to cut it round. So we got a little bit of siliconing that we'll have to do there. Hopefully it won't show too bad. If it does, I'll get some wood putty for it. But anyway, and he cut the end off of the right end, but then we forgot to flip it around for our to cut the sinkhole. So the part I had already stained and varnished on the front is now on the other side. So I'm going to take a sander to this, and I'm going to stain it, and I'm going to polyacrylic it, and we're going to fix it because that's what you have to do sometimes. But look how pretty that is, guys. Isn't that beautiful? I'm happy with it. I couldn't show us putting this in, but you guys, it's real simple, real basic. I'm sure most of you know how to install a sink because I had to help him hold stuff. But look how that looks. Nice big sink, which is what I wanted on my second build. So, not saying there's anything wrong with a small sink. There's not. It just wasn't for my needs. So, I'm ecstatic to have a big sink. And I still have all that cabinet space. And then, of course, I'm going to have cabinets behind me, too. So, there we go. There's my kitchen kitchen sink windows. And then, you guys remember, this is the water pump. So, it's right in front of the sink when we need it. And then our light switches and stuff. So, I'm excited. So, we're going to be doing a water test pretty soon, right?
Yeah.
Pretty soon. I had to order some clamps for this. So, the sink is in, but we're still gonna, what do you call it? Silicone it. Yeah. and stuff because we're waiting for the clamps to come in first to make sure we don't have to remove anything to get the clamps in. Okay, this is the bottom of one of the cabinets, and I'm just getting a quick little short video. Rusty's having to cut out the fender wells, a common thing in a lot of cargo trailers. Now, if your cargo trailer's not 8 or 8.5 foot wide, it's not an issue for you. You're going to put your cabinets in there normal. So, but this is what he's doing right now. I'm out of breath. Been helping him. Are you looking for this?
Yep.
I'm trying to multitask now. I'm filming and handing him tools. I'm so excited. I have a stack of drawers in this cargo trailer. My last one didn't have that. Tickled pink about that. And of course, the drawers, if you're wondering, no, we did not have to cut anything out because we knew we couldn't for the drawers. So the refrigerator is going to go on the other side of it. We were able to fit the 18-inch door cabinets there, and then of course this cabinet is the one we're cutting out get around that fender well. Okay, there's the new windows. There's the new cabinet, and of course we have a moving blanket on it right now, and then there's that cabinet. So we definitely have a nice size galley kitchen. I can't even get it all in there. And my granddaughter asked if there was going to be room for a double bed right there, blow up mattress. So I think there will be. So that may be where she'll be sleeping when she's with us, is on a blow up air mattress right there. So we've been cleaning. We've got the cabinets and the backsplashes on there. We got the cabinets done. We got the windows finished today. And my next video I'm getting ready to start is Rusty raising that dovetail to make it straight. So I'm going to get another video going for that. And if it works out, then I'll post it. Later, guys.